Do you want to share Facebook Reels to Story? You can add Reels to a Facebook story with just a few simple steps. Before we begin, please like this video and subscribe to our channel. I've also included some helpful tools and apps in the description, so be sure to check them out. To share Facebook Reels to your story, first, open the Facebook app on your mobile device. Once you're on Facebook, scroll through your feed or go to your profile to find the reel you want to share. Tap on the reel to open it in full screen view. On the right side of the reel, tap the share icon. A new menu will appear with different sharing options. From here, tap your story. Now you'll be taken to the Facebook Story Editor screen. Here, you can customize your story by adding text, stickers, emojis, or music. After editing, tap Share at the bottom of the screen. Once shared, the reel will be added to your Facebook story and will be visible to your followers for 24 hours.